Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be making this small bird, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to want to do is fold this sheet diagonally like this, corner to point. Next we're going to undo this fold. Then we're going to bring these edges into this center crease, so you can do that on both sides. Go ahead and get this side. Alright, now we're going to take this and flip it over. And we're going to fold this over until basically we get the triangle and see the other edge of this paper. So let's bring that up slowly so you can get a good fold here. There we go. Alright, so we've got that now. Now we're going to flip it over again and fold these corners down into this center line like this. We're going to do that with this side as well. Just going to bring it in. Fold it like that. Now we're going to undo these folds. Sorry. And then we're just going to kind of open this up here. We're going to bring this in, this piece down in to the center. And then we're basically going to just point this out, flatten it out, and it should be like this. Get a closer look at that. Now we're going to do that on this side as well. So we're going to just open this up. We're going to bring this edge down to this middle, so kind of just fold it over like that and then pull this out of that pocket, and it should just kind of fall in place with the folds we've made, so it should be relatively easy. So anyways, we're left with this shape, and now we're going to take these flaps, maybe bring it to around here and just fold it up like this. So it'll look like that. We're going to do a symmetrical fold on the other side down here. So we've got this shape here, right? Now we're going to take this, fold it across so that we've only got a little bit of extra space here off the end. Something like this. So now we're going to take this flap and fold it back this way. Probably give or take about this much space. So now next we're going to fold this shut in half on itself like this. We've got this. Now we're going to take this piece right here and just kind of fold it like this, and we're going to undo that fold, take it, open it up, push that in off those creases we just made, and then just shut it, make the head. We're going to do that again, open it, push it in, shut it, and it should be just like this. Now for the last step, take the tail and just pull on it, and it should just shift out of this position, and you can just secure the fold and then it'll work just like that. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Y'all take it easy.